Welcome to NES Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients are granulated sugar, light caster sugar, flour, chocolate chips, peanut butter, an egg, margarine, baking soda, vanilla extract and salt. First I'm gonna sift 140 grams of flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix them together. So now I'm gonna mix together the margarine, sugar and peanut butter. So now I'm gonna add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And mix this together. So now I'm gonna add the flour mixture into this bowl. So the last step is folding in about 100 grams of chocolate chips. So I got a baking sheet and I put some baking paper on top, and now I'm gonna make balls of the dough and put them on top of the baking paper. And I like to squeeze them down a bit. So I'm gonna put these in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So now I'm gonna let them cool down and then they're ready to be eaten.